Unions say the standard of maintenance at the Botanic Gardens in Adelaide and the Adelaide Hills is at risk because of job cuts. 65 jobs will go in the Department of Environment and Heritage as part of state budget cuts.
The Botanic Gardens in Adelaide, Mount Lofty and Watunga are not just a haven for wildlife, they attract almost 2 million visitors a year. But the public sector union fears that under government job cuts they'll be left to rot. Of the 65 jobs to be axed from the Environment Department by next June, 9 are Botanic Garden staff. The PSA says that will severely impact on the garden's maintenance and security.
If we damage these botanic gardens, whether it's Mount Lofty, whether it's the Adelaide Botanic Gardens, whether it's Watunga, it will turn tourism away.
The department says it's not immune to the push to reduce public service numbers. It admits that some services will be affected, but says they'll be minimal.
Mount Lofty will become more of a landscape garden where there is it's less intensively managed. There's less requirement to have the detailed management that the Adelaide Botanic Garden will require.
The PSA is calling on the government to reverse the cuts. The union movement was also focused on jobs in the community sector. The Australian Services Union staged a rally on North Terrace as part of its national campaign to get equal pay for female workers. It says 200,000 women in the home care, disability and social services industries are undervalued.
The people who work for our organisation work in a really stressful environment with the most vulnerable young people in our city, and they deserve to be valued in the work that they do.
The union has lodged a test case with Fair Work Australia. Paul Kish, ABC News, Adelaide.